Philippines! Tisa Manalo. This was one of my favorite national costumes for this year. My goodness, guys. Especially the bottom part. I love the crown. It was big. It was dramatic. She finally gave us what we were looking for, and her performance on stage was absolutely fantastic, spectacular. Let's have a look at her performance. Oh, wow.
This country is a nation of fiestas.
Oh
This
my
costume
God.
captures their spirit with every element inspired by the nation's grandest celebration. She
Beautiful.
is the embodiment of celebrations and good vibrations. Philippines.
Oh, look at the details. Oh, the details on that gown is insane. Oh my God, I love the crown as well.
So mga kapolitika, habang hinihintay po natin ang pagbabalik ni Atisa Manalo dito sa Pilipinas, ay nagwagi po siya dito sa kanyang national costume. So sa kanya po ibinigay ang Best in National Costume ng pa-award dito sa Miss Universe 2025. At kitang-kita nyo naman na kahit hindi siya ang nanalo dito sa competition, ay siya pa rin ang pinag-uusapan ng mga international vloggers, si Atisa Manalo. So tayo ay na-excite at tayo ay natutuwa dito sa mga balitang ito, na kung saan ay 3 beses na tayo ay nanalo dito sa Best in National Costume nung panahon ni Michelle D, panahon ni Chelsea Manalo, and ngayon ay panahon ni Atisa. So ang maging dito, ang comment ng ating mga netizen, baka ito ay pampalubag loob lang daw dahil hindi sa atin nabigay yung corona. So yun yung mga comment ng ating mga netizen dito sa mundo ng social media. So hindi man sa pero I believe na very deserved naman ni Atisa yung yung award na yon, na kung saan ay nakita naman natin doon kung gaano kaganda, gaano kapulido at hindi magulo yung design. Yun ang gusto ko sa gown na isinuot ni Atisa. Hindi magulo yung gown na kanyang inirampa doon sa preliminary competition. So aside from this, mga kapolitika, ay nagkaroon ng award, diba, nung nakarang araw dito patungkol sa kailang Miss Universe Asia. And then ang sabi doon ay ibinigay dito kay China ang award na yon, kasi siya ang may highest standing sa mga Asian contender, kung kaya ibinigay sa kanya yung award na yun, Miss Universe Asia. Pero supposed to be ay kay Thailand or kay Philippines daw dapat yun, pero in-approach daw itong dalawa, si Atisa at yung si Vena Pravinar, and then pareho daw nag-refuse. Okay, parehong nag-refuse itong si Atisa at si Vena na ibigay sa kanila or tanggapin nila yung award na yun ng Miss Universe Asia. So report po ito ng Pinoy History na sinasabi ay tinanggihan daw nila Atisa at ni Vena itong award na to na Miss Universe Asia. So according dito sa kanilang post, Atisa Manalo declines Miss Universe Asia promotion. Atisa Manalo has declined the promotion to become Miss Universe Asia, choosing instead to focus on her business commitments and her ongoing responsibilities as Miss Universe Philippines. According to sources, Manalo believes prioritizing her current reign and its associated projects is the most responsible course of action. The promotion was first offered to Miss Thailand, but she also declined. Her camp reportedly requested full transparency and called for an audit of the judges' votes before accepting any continental title. However, the request could not be granted as the Miss Universe organization confirmed that all judges had signed non-disclosure agreements preventing them from releasing or discussing the final scores. With both Thailand and Philippines declining, Miss China accepted the title of Miss Universe Asia as she held the next highest score among Asian delegates. Despite turning down the continental crown, Atisa Manalo still shone on the Miss Universe after pageant stage. She gracefully accepted the Beyond the Crown Special Award given to the most inspiring and outstanding candidates prior to the finals. She shared this recognition alongside Miss Netherlands and the controversial candidate Miss Paraguay. According to the organization, this award is among the most prestigious pre-final honors, highlighting candidates who made a significant impact throughout the competition. Atisa also accepted the award for Best Country Pageant, given to Miss Universe Philippines. The MUPH Finals night was praised as the most glamorous and well-produced national pageant among all franchise holders. Much of the credit was attributed to President and Honor Jonas Gafud, whose leadership and creative vision elevated the Philippine franchise international reputation. So ito ay report mga kapolitika ng Pinoy History na merong milyon-milyon na mga followers dito sa social media at ang sabi nila ay dinecline di umano ni Atisa Manalo yung kanyang award na supposed to be Miss Universe Asia. So hinindian ito ng Thailand and then inoffer kay Atisa and then hinindian rin po ni Atisa yung recognition na yon kasi magkakaroon ka ng commitment doon sa kanilang organization and then ang gusto ni Atisa is mag-focus na lang dito sa local na cause or mga advocacy. So I believe na kung ano yung kanyang naging desisyon dito na hindi tanggapin yung Miss Universe Asia ay respetuhin na lang po natin mga kapolitika kahit pa siguro gusto rin natin na tanggapin ito ni Atisa kasi makasali siya sa mga world tour pero siguro is malalim ang kanyang dahilan dahil nga nawalan na rin siya ng tiwala, trust dito sa organization matapos ang controversial na result ng Miss Universe. At ang sabi nga ng ating mga netizen ay pinaulanan daw ng award itong si Atisa para pampalubag loob dito sa naging resulta ng kanyang labanan sa Miss Universe 2025. Ano sa tingin nyo mga kapolitika? Pampalubag loob ba itong mga pa-award para kay Atisa Manalo? At kung kayo rin po ang tatanungin, ano ang inyong mag-reaction? Tama lang ba na hindi tinanggap ni Atisa ang Miss Universe Asia recognition dito sa kompetisyon? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at pag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.